CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.3. Given a scenario, configure basic mobile device network connectivity and provide application support. Subscriber Identity Module. To understand how mobile devices connect to cellular networks, we need to start with the Subscriber Identity Module, often abbreviated as SIM. A SIM is a small card that stores information used to identify a device and authenticate it on a cellular network. This information links the device to a specific mobile service provider and allows the device to make calls, send text messages, and access mobile data. A SIM plays a critical role in activation. Activation is the process of enabling a device to connect to a carrier's cellular network using the information stored on the SIM. Until a SIM is activated, the device may power on, but it will not have full cellular functionality. Closely related to activation is provisioning, which is the process of configuring the carrier's network services for that device. Provisioning determines what services are available, such as voice, text, data limits, and roaming capabilities. Another important concept tied to SIM cards is portability. Because the SIM stores subscriber information rather than device-specific hardware details, it can often be moved from one compatible device to another. This allows users to switch phones without changing carriers, as long as the devices are unlocked and supported by the network. This portability is why swapping a SIM card can quickly restore service on a replacement device. SIM cards also define the relationship between the device and the carrier. Some devices are locked to a specific carrier, meaning they will only accept SIM cards from that provider. Other devices are unlocked and can work with SIM cards from multiple carriers. Understanding this relationship is important when troubleshooting connectivity issues or when users attempt to change service providers. Now let's shift to a newer technology known as embedded SIM, often abbreviated as eSIM. An eSIM performs the same basic function as a physical SIM card, but instead of being removable, it is built directly into the device's hardware. Because it is embedded, there is no physical card to insert or replace. With eSIM technology, activation and provisioning are handled digitally. Users can download a carrier profile directly to the device, allowing service to be enabled without visiting a store or inserting a SIM card. This makes eSIM especially useful for devices that need quick setup, frequent carrier switching, or support for multiple cellular plans at once. eSIM also changes how portability works. Instead of physically moving a SIM card between devices, portability is managed through software by adding or removing carrier profiles. While this offers greater flexibility and convenience, it also means the device must support eSIM and be compatible with the carrier's eSIM implementation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.